Well, it's already time to update my computer tour. Can you believe it? Right after I made the last one, I got to thinking, maybe my office is a bit of a mess and not set up really the way I like it. My computer was right in front of this window behind me, and you can imagine the strain on my eyes of trying to look at the screen with that bright window behind it. So I always had to close the blinds, and then the office was always dark. So I made some changes. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, we're going to start at the far left side of the desk. Here's some of my rocket pictures from my former career in rocket science. But once again, here is Curly, his main screen and his secondary screen, and my little tiny keyboard, plus a few little peripheral-y things. And Joe again. We looked at Joe before. Let's push the button here and wake him back up. Some email on his screen there. He's running Linux. And down here, we've moved Shemp. That cord there is for Joe's because he's only in there temporarily. But Shemp lives down underneath this part of the desk now. And behind Joe is just my TV now. It's just used as a TV, only for training purposes, of course. Let's move around the corner. There's my color printer again. Ooh, I love that thing. Plus my fountain. Check this out. Alexa, turn on Office Fountain.
Okay.
And there goes the water. Ah, isn't it lovely? Okay, moving over a little bit. Here's a temporary home for Larry. My laptop, I use him for work. And then let's just kind of lower his screen for a minute. And here is Mo. I didn't mention yesterday, but Mo is my home server. He serves everything around the house. He's the boss of everything, hence his name is Mo. And this, of course, is Pee-wee right down here. Once again, my Raspberry Pi. He runs Pi-hole to hide advertisements, and he does a great job. And Brutus. I brought a screen upstairs, actually in from my storage, so Brutus would have his own screen. And there he is, now down at this end of the office. And of course the black and white printer over there. So they're all lined up. There's my router. There's my little label printer. Oh, it's so much fun. And way down here is my UPS to keep my disk farm alive, which is hidden under the desk and hard to see. Then as we come further around the room, ooh, more rocket pictures and other things. Here's Joanne's little desk. Even though it's only temporary, she's got it set up so it's pretty and feels homey to her and is just right. So she has her new Windows laptop and the secondary screen, as well as her Chromebook here. Not shown, of course, is my Chromebook, which is downstairs. So that's it, the office tour. Thanks for watching again. Maybe I'll stop doing office tours every few days and try something else. Talk to you later.